How to fix disk write error on Steam. So this is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is to just go first and exit your Steam application. So let's just say your Steam is running at this very moment. What you're going to do is to simply close the application and then exit Steam. And then you can also go to Task Manager. So type Task Manager, open. And then if you see that Steam application is running here, you just have to right click and end task. Okay, so you just have to type S, or you can simply go to the search icon and then type Steam and then right click and end task. Okay, so if this one didn't work, then we can proceed to the next one. Now you have to run your Steam as administrator. You can right click here, you can open file, and then here you can right click Steam again and then click run as administrator. Okay, so after this, also you can go to Steam again, the same folder, and then this time you have to right click Steam, look for properties. Okay, you can click show more option to see properties. Go to compatibility and then click run this program as administrator. Click apply and then OK. Next is we have to check Windows permission folder. Go to Steam application again, right click, and then go to properties. Now go to security, and whatever username you are using this time, make sure that you allow the permission right here. So that means everything here is checked. As easy as that. If not, you can click edit and then try to add, remove, something like that. Okay, permissions for system, check, full control, modify, and so on. And after this one, go to your Steam application, go to downloads, and then go to clear cache, tap this one. Click clear cache. And then next is you go to your settings again, and then look for Steam library, and you have to repair the folder. So if you can see that here, tap that and then kindly repair the folder. Okay. Next, you have to make sure that your Steam application is up to date. Check your Steam client here and update it. Okay. And then once done, the very last thing you should do is to change your region. To do that, go to Steam, go to settings, and then go to downloads and kindly change your region or country here. As easy as that. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.